Hello everyone! In this video, I'd like to share a simple STEAM activity I created based on the theme light and shadows. I'll be showing the lantern I made, explaining how it was put together and demonstrating how the shadows appear when the LED light is placed inside. So these are the main materials I used to create my lantern. I chose these items because they are affordable and easy to find. And this is the lantern I made. As you can see, I cut for separate pieces of the cardboard and designed multiple patterns and glued them together to form a tall box-shaped lantern. At the bottom inside, I placed an LED candle light. So when it lights up, the patterns allow the light to shine through and create interesting shadows. Here, I'll demonstrate how the lantern works. So when the LED candle is switched on, you can see the shadows appear on the wall. Children can explore what happens when we move the lantern closer or farther from the surface. The shadows change size and shape. They can also look at how different patterns create different shadows effect. This activity includes all the STEAM components. Science and children learn how light creates shadows and how distance affects shadow size. Second, technology. We use an LED light as a safe light source. Next, engineering. Children build this structure by assembling the cardboard into a tall lantern shape. Art. They design and cut creative patterns, making their lantern unique. And lastly, mathematics. They measure the cardboard pieces, count the shapes, and notice patterns and symmetry. In conclusion, this activity promotes curiosity, creativity, and hands-on exploration in young children. It is simple, engaging, and encourages children to experiment and discover how light behaves. That's all from me. Thank you for watching.